back here at the shop this morning. Just gonna do a little work on this motor. I went to town yesterday. I stopped yesterday and didn't get to film anything. My battery was dead on my phone, so and I forgot my cord, so I was shit out of luck. But I bought this metal rescue yesterday, and you're supposed to take this small bottle and you mix it with a gallon of water, and I mixed it with a gallon of distilled water in this green bucket here, and I took this turkey baster and I squirted each cylinder as full as I could get it. It's a rust dissolver, and anyway, I squirted each cylinder as full as I could get it because the motor's completely locked down. And I looked on YouTube, and it shows that several guys have used this successfully. So I'm gonna see if I can use it successfully today. I did it yesterday, filled up all the cylinders, so all of them that were down are full, and all of them that were up, I shouldn't have to worry about. I mean, they may have rust on the back side of them, I don't know. I got them as full as I could. I squirted a little bit in all the cylinders, so there's some that didn't take any because they were on top dead center. So without further ado, let's check out the metal rescue and see if it works today. If not, I will dose it again today and come back tomorrow. If not, then I'll pull off the heads and intake and get it where I can pull the motor out with the torque converter attached. So what I'll probably end up having to do is pull off the water pump and the front pulley, the belt drive pulley, off the crankshaft, so I can pull it forward enough to get it out without too much damage to the torque converter or the transmission, either one. All right, so here we go. That nut, or that bolt in there, is a 5/8 on this older motor, so hopefully it'll handle it. It's a pretty big breaker bar here, so well, let's see what it does. Nope, it's not broke loose yet. Let's try going the other way. It's probably just gonna break the bolt loose. Yep. Try again. I don't think there's gonna be any turning this motor. It's been sitting a long time, but like I said, I had one locked up just as tight, and I actually took the harmonic balancer off of it and put a giant pipe wrench on the end of the crankshaft. I didn't like doing it because it messes up the crankshaft, but that motor's still running today. So that's been over 10 years ago. So I'm going to dose this again as best I can, and then I'll come back tomorrow and see if it's broke loose yet. Let me go out here and get my light so I can see what the heck I'm doing down there. Yeah, I got a flashlight. That'll work. So I can see what I'm doing down there, and like I said, if it don't work tomorrow, I'll be pulling it out how I can. Well, what I put in there went somewhere, because it took a whole nother squirt. There's 2 squirts. Kind of hard to do it with this. Okay, that one's kind of on top. It took about half of that turkey baster, and that was it. And this one right here, I had a hell of a time getting in it, so I won't even try today. Oh crap, that's cool. Anyway, I'm just gonna call it good there, and I'll probably come in tomorrow and just go ahead and start tearing this down, pull it out. I'll worry about breaking it loose in the morning, or when I'm off. I'll just get it ready to pull out and every day, and we'll have y'all on here, and I'll probably pull off the water pump, and let me see what else. Pull off the water pump and that pulley tomorrow, and get the intake off, and I don't know, I may even get the heads tomorrow, who knows. It's hump day for me. Monday morning's like my Thursday or Wednesday, so I've got 3 days left to work, so I won't get off till Thursday morning. And then Thursday afternoon I'll probably be in here working on this. So anyway, I'll stop by here every morning and get at least a little bit done, and I may just combine a whole bunch of videos into one. But anyway, looks like it's going to be pull it out and use muriatic acid. Muriatic acid take it out, but it takes a little bit of metal too, and you got to really stay on top of it and watch what you're doing. Anyway, it's time to go home, go to bed, so I'll see you guys later. If you like my videos, subscribe right down there in the corner is the button, and give me a thumbs up. Share me with your friends, and just let you know I love you guys, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.